It is a quiet winter afternoon. Outside, the weather is cold and snowy. Inside the house, everything feels warm, calm, and safe. Today is a special day for Daisy's mother and Daisy. Daisy's mother and Daisy walk slowly toward the kitchen.
Mommy, what are we going to do today?
Today, we are going to make Christmas cookies together.
Daisy's mother and Daisy open the kitchen door and step inside.
The kitchen feels warm.
That's because good memories live here.
Daisy's mother and Daisy stand next to each other at the counter.
First, let's put on our aprons.
I look like a baker.
You are my little baker.
Daisy's mother places the ingredients on the counter.
This is flour, this is sugar, and these are eggs.
They look small.
Small things can make something wonderful.
The bowl waits quietly on the counter.
Can you help me pour the flour, Daisy?
Slowly, like this?
Yes, very good.
White flour falls into the bowl.
Why do we use flour?
Because flour helps cookies stay together.
Daisy's mother opens the sugar.
Now we add sugar.
Because sugar is sweet?
Yes, and sweetness makes people smile.
Daisy's mother and Daisy begin to mix slowly.
Nice and easy.
My arm is getting tired.
That means you're doing a good job.
The dough starts to come together.
It feels funny.
That's how dough feels when it's ready.
Daisy's mother and Daisy place the dough on the counter.
Now we roll it flat.
Back and forth, back and forth.
Cookie cutters rest on the table.
Which shape do you want, Daisy?
Stars and trees.
Perfect Christmas shapes.
Daisy's mother and Daisy press the shapes into the dough.
Look, a star.
You made that one.
The baking tray slowly fills with cookies.
Now we put them here.
They look happy.
The oven door opens.
Now they bake.
Good luck, cookies.
Daisy's mother and Daisy sit and wait together. The oven hums softly.
Waiting is hard.
But waiting makes the reward sweeter.
The kitchen smells warm and sweet.
They're ready.
I can smell them.
Daisy's mother and Daisy decorate the cookies slowly.
You can add sprinkles, Daisy.
So many colors.
Daisy's mother and Daisy sit together and take a small bite.
Delicious.
The best cookies are made with love.
And this Christmas moment will stay in Daisy's heart forever. Making cookies together is simple. All you need is flour, sugar, eggs, and love. Mix slowly, be patient, enjoy every small moment. This is not just a recipe. It is time spent together. It is laughter. It is learning. Baking is not about perfect cookies. It is about being together. It is about memories. Today, Daisy and her mother made cookies. But more importantly, they made a Christmas memory. One that will last forever. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy learning English through warm, everyday stories from life and the past, let us know in the comments. Who do you think the next video will be about? Can you guess whose story we'll tell next? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care, and see you soon.